The MAXYOYO Convertible Sofa Bed Pull-Out Loveseat Sleeper Sofa exists for one clear reason. Space is expensive, and furniture should earn its keep. This piece doesn't try to be grand or oversized. It shows up compact, compressed into a box that feels almost too small to be serious, then quietly expands into something far more useful than expected. At first, it's a loveseat, low to the ground, simple, soft-edged, and inviting. With a gentle pull, it becomes a bed. No metal frame drama, no clanking parts, no instructions taped together with optimism. Just a smooth transition from sitting to sleeping, which is exactly what a two-in-one design is supposed to do, but rarely pulls off well. The dimensions tell the story. As a sofa, it's modest and intentional, perfect for bedrooms, offices, small living rooms, or that awkward corner where nothing full-size ever fits. As a sleeper, it stretches out into a surprisingly long and supportive surface. The high-density foam does most of the work here. It's firm without feeling punishing, soft without collapsing into a nap trap. Adults can nap or sleep on it without waking up angry at their spine. Kids treat it like a luxury mattress. The corded fabric adds personality. It's soft to the touch, breathable, and holds up well to daily use. The tufted detailing gives it a slightly retro feel, the kind that looks intentional instead of temporary. It doesn't scream guest bed. It just looks like a thoughtful piece of furniture that happens to do more than one job. This loveseat sits low, and that's not an accident. It creates a relaxed, grounded feel that works well in casual spaces. For taller users, or anyone who prefers a higher seat, it may feel a bit close to the floor. Some people solve that with a platform. Others lean into it and treat it like a modern lounge piece. The back and armrests also appreciate support. Against a wall, the sofa feels stable and comfortable. Floating freely in the middle of a room, it may feel less confident. This is furniture that likes boundaries. Setup is refreshingly uneventful. The sofa arrives compressed, wrapped tightly, and ready to expand. Once opened, it begins regaining its shape quickly, often within hours. Waiting the recommended 48 hours allows the foam to fully settle and smooth out any dents or uneven spots. A little tapping and shaking helps, but patience does most of the work. In daily use, it proves why people buy convertible furniture in the first place. It works as a reading seat, a place to put shoes on, a casual couch for two average-sized adults, or a nap zone that doesn't require rearranging the entire room. At night, it pulls out easily for guests, kids who wander in during storms, or anyone who just wants to lie flat without committing to a full bed. Pets clearly approve. Flat armrests double as nap platforms. The foam holds up well under paws and weight without flattening too quickly. The cover is removable and washable, which quietly turns small accidents into minor inconveniences instead of disasters. There are trade-offs, and none of them are hidden. As a couch, it can sink slightly after long sitting sessions. As a bed, it's ideal for one adult or two kids, but not a replacement for a full-size mattress. Color options are limited, and recovering it takes effort. Still, for the price, it outperforms a long list of alternatives that promise comfort and deliver novelty instead. The MAXYOYO Convertible Sofa Bed Pull-Out Loveseat Sleeper Sofa doesn't pretend to change your life. It just makes small spaces easier to live in. It's practical, comfortable, quietly clever, and honest about what it is. In a market crowded with oversized promises, that restraint feels refreshing.